Good morning, students. Today I will teach you kinds of statements in English grammar. This video is for class 5 and 6 and video part 3. Sentences are of 5 kinds. First, a statement, or you can see assertive sentence. Second, question, or you can say interrogative sentence. And third one is command. It can be said imperative sentence. 4 is exclamation. It means it is also known as exclamatory sentence. And last, fifth is optative. It is also known as optative sentence. So first of all, I will clear a statement. The definition is the sentence which says or declares something is called a statement or an assertive sentence. हिंदी वैसा सेंटेंस जो किसी चीज़ के बारे में डिक्लेयर करता हो, बताता हो, पुष्टि करता हो, उसको स्टेटमेंट के रूप में जाना जाता है. Some examples are here. First is she composes a poem. Second is the lion lives in the forest. Here I would like to explain here that these statements make or say something in general way. So these are a statement, or it is also known as assertive sentence. Now, affirmative statement. The statement which affirms something is called an affirmative statement. Affirmative, it means इसमें जो स्टेटमेंट करता है, किसी चीज़ को वेरीफाई करता है, उसको असर्टिव स्टेटमेंट के रूप में हम लोग जानते हैं. डिक्लेरेशन को एक्सप्रेस करता है. Some examples have been given here. The word flies in the sky or in the air. Second, he draws a picture. So analysis is these statements affirm, it means verify something, and these are assertive sentences. Second, as you can see here, negative statement. The statement which denies something is called a negative statement. Some examples have been given here. I am not an Indian. Next is I am not helping you. And last example is third, she doesn't teach me. So as you can see, all are negative statements and they deny the action. If you see all these examples, then you will find that these statements deny something. These are negative statements. And next is interrogative sentence. The definition is the sentence which asks or inquires something is called a question or an interrogative sentence. यानी वैसा सेंटेंस जिसमें कुछ पूछा जाता है किसी चीज़ के बारे में, उसे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस के रूप में हम लोग जानते हैं. So that's all students. Tomorrow I will explain about examples related to interrogative sentence. That's all.